Good noon, sir.
Jarvis,
I am online, sir.
what's the time?
The time is 2:05 p.m.
What's the date?
Today is Tuesday, August 15, 2023.
What's your name?
My name is Jarvis, a personal AI assistant.
What can you do?
I can do lots of things. You can ask me time and date, or I can search anything on Google and Wikipedia. I can play anything for you, and many more.
How to make a cup of tea?
Searching for how to make a cup of tea. Make a good cup of tea. 1. Start with the water. 2. Heat the kettle. 3. Bring the water to a boil. 4. Rinse out the cup with boiling water. 5. Place the tea bag or loose tea into the cup. 6. Add water. 7. Let steep. 8. Use a teaspoon to remove the tea bag. 9. Drink the contents of the cup at a leisurely pace and enjoy the goodness that is tea. 10. Finished.
Play Surah Mulk.
Playing Surah Mulk.
من نعم الله الجبار قبس من نور المختار وبعز
Open Notepad.
Okay, sir. Application launching.
Write something.
Please tell me, what should I write?
My name is Muhammad Farooq. I live in Bangladesh. Exit typing.
Done, sir.
Open Task Manager.
Task Manager is here, sir.
Open Snipping Tool.
Okay, sir. Application launching.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
Go to sleep mode.
Okay, sir. Going to sleep mode.